Okay, so we're going to run through a Ruby CLI app, and that is Aiden's Movie Mania. So basically the purpose of this app is to go online and to purchase a ticket for a movie, but we have some pretty cool functionality in here. Initially it prompts you to enter your name, and we're going to go ahead and enter a new name for a user and call it Kevin McUser. It's going to ask for your email address. You can enter that in. And it's going to ask for your payment option of how to pay for the movie. Once you enter your user, you've been created as a user in their database, so you can enter back in whenever you want to, just type in your name. And now we can start looking for movies. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different ways to look at movies. We can search by genre, title, rating, runtime, or location. And we're going to go ahead and look for a specific amount of runtime movies. So let's see what the movies are listed by runtime. You can see it gives us the minutes of all the movies. Now we don't have a lot of time to kill, so we're going to have to skip Ford v Ferrari, but we're going to go down to Toy Story and select that. So now that we've selected this movie, we can save it to consider watching later, or we can go ahead and buy a ticket. So let's save it and see what else we can do. We can either purchase our ticket, we can go back to the options and select a different movie. We can see movies that the app creators have recommended for us, or we could leave the app. So let's go ahead and buy our Toy Story 4 ticket. Now that we've decided we want to buy our ticket, it's going to ask us how many seats we'd like to purchase. Let's say we're going with 4 people altogether. It wants to know which showing we want to see, and Toy Story is kind of a kids movie, so maybe we should go a little late so all the kids are asleep. And which age group are you buying this ticket for? Well, we can buy it for an adult, a child, or a senior. And the great thing about this is that buying it for a child or a senior is going to give you a discounted price, just like it would if you buy at the movie theater. But we're going to buy for adults today. We're going to want to select our location now, which can be Main Street. And these are all the locations that that movie happens to be playing at that time. Now our app is going to load our ticket, and you can see here, ticket for Toy Story 4, we have 4 seats, showtime at 10 p.m. The price is the adult price multiplied by the amount of tickets. The location is Main Street, and our ticket is good to go. So since we saved this movie for later, we can check it out, and we still have it in our save for later, so that's no problem if we want to buy it. Now I want to show you some more things that we can browse flick some other ways, so let's show me more movies. And if we go to rating, we can go ahead and decide how much we want our movie to be rated on IMDb. So say we want a really good movie, we only want to rate from 8.0 to 9.9. We get an array of movies that only fall within that rating. So it looks like Ford v Ferrari is the highest rating. We can go ahead and not consider this for later, but we can purchase a ticket. And we're going to repeat the steps we did before by selecting the number of seats, the time, and the age group the tickets are for, and the location. And we will get our brand new ticket printed out. We don't want to see what we've saved for later. We can go ahead and check out one more functionality, which is tickets by location. So if we can only make it to maybe the Alamo this time, we can't make it to another location, we can head in there. These are the movies playing at the Alamo. So let's see Star Wars. Yeah, we'll save this movie to consider later. We'll buy our ticket, and we'll just run through those steps a little quickly one more time. There you go, we have our ticket. So when we're finally done, we just let the app know that we're done, and it prints this little goodbye message. And that's it.